So, as promised, I've got a packing video on the Jujube Forever Backpack from the Ever collection, and this one's in Brulee. Sorry about the voice, I've got a really bad cold, so I'll try and get through this. Let's see what's inside. So I've been using this for 2 days now. First trip was a shopping trip, and today we went out for lunch. So I'll show you what I've got packed up inside. I've only just started using it, so I might tweak a few things, but it's worked really well actually. I've been really impressed. So on the very top in the tech pocket, I have just my phone, iPhone 7. Tons of room in there. You could fit the biggest phone on the market, I would say. On the sides, they do fit some bottles, because I was a little bit worried about the shape, but I have this size. It's the Systema, the small kids size one. So I have one of each. One in each side, for my little girl, my little boy. And then we'll go for the front pocket, which I have some wet ones, hand sanitizer, nice little thin one that fits in there. I've got some sun cream, which I always have, just a little stick one. And I have a small Be Organised piece, which is my med case. I've got everything in there, from Calpol to Bonjela to bandages and band-aids, all that kind of stuff. That all fits in there. So it's quite a nice little pocket. The only organisation it has is the little key fob. The rest is just open pocket, so you can put set pieces and coin purses and stuff like that. Make your own organisation, I guess. And so let's go into the, well, first of all, just the back. I haven't put anything in there, just the changing pad's still in there. I don't really need the changing pad, but it's nice just to have a little bit of extra cushioning in the back there. And let's open her up. It's a lovely big opening. This is probably my favourite part about the bag, is that you can literally flip it all the way back like that and get to everything inside. It's really easy, which I really like. So right on the top I've got my wipes, because they're the thing I've really grabbed the most. I hate anything sticky, so they're the things that I have right at the top, and I've just got them in a Huggies Clutch and Clean, but I have water wipes inside because they're my favourite. And then, the other favourite thing about this bag is how it has like little pockets at the top and underneath. So you kind of got like your easy reach pockets at the top, which I really love. So I've got some tissues, because I'm always reaching for that at the moment. Another little pack of wet wipes and some sweeties. There were a few more packets in here, but the kids had some earlier. And in this top pocket here, I've got my keys. So it's like really nice and easy to grab. Rather than it being on the key fob, I just have it in this little top pocket. I really like that. And then, so basically, I've got it set out so I can just grab whichever. I've got 2 medium set pieces, my purse, and the Be Dapper, which I really hope they can do in a non-toki print at some point, because it's such a great little bag. I love it. So I first have a medium set piece with all the things that I might need. I've got a small set piece in there with my medication. I've got 2, can't think what they're called, Be Charged. So I've got 2 of those in there with my extra cards. I've got some lip gloss and bits and bobs, all the usual things that we mummies need. And then in the Secure Swell medium, I have dining needs. So I have a bib and some wipes, some raisins and things, just like little snacks that might come in handy when you're eating at the table. And I have then my Be Rich, just in blackout, and then the Be Dapper, which has 2 changes of clothes, well, 1 each for my children. We've got 4 nappies in there, and then I have the white separately, and then on the front is where I keep my little baggies. Love the bead apple, really, really nice design. And then in the little bottom pocket, so you've got the top one and then the bottom, I've got a little shopping bag, and in the other side at the bottom I've got a little coin purse in Rosy Posy, just for little hair ties and bits and bobs like that. And then in the very front of the bag at the bottom, you've got a little sort of pouchy pocket, and I've kind of put, I've kind of stacked it up, it's hard to see, but on one side I've got my Be Shady, on the other side I've got a little box of snacks, and on top of that one I also have this box, and they fit fine. And then there's also two little pockets right at the back, which would be perfect for putting nappies in, or maybe wipes, something like that. I didn't use them today just because I was using my set pieces and things to organise, but if you weren't, those would be really good for nappies. They're just perfect size. I'd say you could probably fit 3 nappies in each, depending on the size. But yes, I'm really, really happy with how it's packed up. It was really comfortable to wear as well. And it's just a really, really good quality bag. I'm really impressed with it so far. So I hope that's helped make your decisions a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. Bye.